Hi everyone, it's Justine here from House of Mahalo, and I'm here to do the flip through of this purple Lapbook Folio, which is my 1,000 subscriber giveaway prize. I'll talk about the giveaway at the end of the video, but for now I just want to show you what became of this beautiful folio. I have made a lot of this on camera with you, so if you've been watching the series, most of this you would have seen before. So here we are. It was a planner set that I had completely taken apart and repurposed the base of it. So in the introductory video you will see the base of what this was. Now we are a Lapbook Folio. So we've got this snippet roll that we did on camera together as our nice bit of bling. I've used two kits mainly for this this folio. They are linked below. One of the kits, which you'll see on the front here, this is the Cremones collection from Marie's Paper Lab. I've also used the, I think it's the Shabby Lilac or the Rustic Lilac kit from Nanine at Collage Type. So here we go. This is what we open out into. So if I start at one end, we've got this policy envelope. This was part of the original planner, so I've kept this and I just redid the policy closure. Added some embellishments here. Inside we've got this journal card. Again, we made these together. And there will be something else in this pocket, but I'm going to keep that a surprise for the lucky winner. So stay tuned for that if you are lucky enough to win this. So I've used gold twine for the closures. Here we've got a Terry's chocolate orange packaging that I've turned into a flip down. Oops. So we've got a library pocket underneath with a library card inside, which I've just stenciled and added stickers to. Fancied up the library pocket, and if we can see down here, we've got a little flip down. This came in part of the Stamperia Provence paper pad. And then inside there we've got some purple and pink vintage stamps, which I thought complemented the colours, and just this little label, which you could be used in further embellishments or in your own projects. Just a little something in there. Okay, so we've got some pink ribbon here just to keep that closed because it does kick up on its own. Like so. Although I'm going to struggle with doing bows on camera, aren't I? Might have to do that after. Got it, okay. Here we've got another policy closure, same as before, this time with a couple of envelopes. So in the top one here, we've got this notepad, which does slip out of this little belly band piece. So I've just stamped a butterfly there, just a little tear off pad that you can use for journaling. And on the back, if you remember from when I was doing this part of the folio, I had to cut this down because I actually made a mistake here. So I've made this into a feature in the back where I had to add some washi to protect my stitching. So I've just made it so that it looks like it was supposed to be that way rather than a bit of a mistake. So never a mistake in this craft. Things can always be done. Each of the envelopes is a pocket, and we've got this large journal card inside. This is from Nanine's kit. It was one of the pages that I've then, just turned into a nice journal card size. Okay, we've got some decoration on here. I've added a frame and some embellishments just to fancy up that page a little bit. Okay, just trying to make sure you're all in. On the back here, we've got another envelope pocket. This time, this has Marie's Paper Lab, her kit. Again, this is a page that I've shrunk down into a nice journal card size. I know I'm whizzing through this, but it's just because I've done a lot of it on camera. Here we've got a side tuck, and I've just got a piece from the Provence Stamperia pad for a little bit of journaling, or you could use it in embellishments. And then of course we've done embellishments throughout this piece. So we've got just a little ticket and vintage stamp and butterfly down there. In the middle here, we've got this tuck pocket. So it's glued on two sides, so it is a tuck in the background there. We have another one of the bird cards we made together. So that just slips in there. And then this is a side pocket in itself. This was made, we did like a Trash Tuesday for a lot of this folio. So that was, I think this was like a card or something I got from a seller on Etsy. So then I've just sort of repurposed that. And we've got this little journal card booklet thing from the Stamperia Provence pad. So that just slips in there. I thought that looked quite pretty. So that's all of this part of the folio. So just do it up for you. Again, using the same sparkly gold twine that we've used throughout. Just thought it really complemented all of the purple. And where are we? Here we are. Okay, and then the last panel here, we've got this specimen card, which I actually made for my very first YouTube tutorial all those months ago. So it's just space to write on the back, and that is a real pressed leaf, pressed flower in the window on some tea bag and cheesecloth. This pocket was actually a murder card pocket from Cluedo, if you remember what that looks like. So I did this one off camera because I was just really decorating it up, but it was the perfect size for this specimen. So that is the inside of the folio, but there is one more treat on the back, which I will, which I will show you in a second. I just thought I couldn't remember whether the closure went around the back or underneath. So here we are on the back. We've got another back panel. We've got a little pocket here, and we've got a collaged journal card from my masterboard scrap busting series, just sitting in there. Nice large journal card. It takes up almost that entire space, really. So as I say, I have whizzed through that because all of this we did on camera, pretty much all of it anyway. So yeah, there is a, there's a playlist which I'll link down below if you haven't caught the series. We did a lot of different things together in this one, and I really like how it turned out, and I hope you do as well. So if you would like to win this beautiful prize from me, so as I say, this is to say thank you for, I've reached 1,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel, which is, for many of us, it is a milestone. And yeah, this is my way of saying thank you for, being here on this journey with me, watching my videos, liking, commenting, and just generally hanging out with me. I appreciate that you choose to spend your time with me, and, I can't thank you enough for that. And of course, in return, I do hope that I'm sharing some videos and some ideas with you that you might like. So this is really my way of saying thank you very much for being here. So to enter the giveaway, if you would like to, it's no obligation. You need to be a subscriber on my channel, because of course this is a thank you to subscribers. So please like this video and please comment down below. So this is a pay it forward style giveaway. I think it's only fair. I've reached this milestone that is a big milestone for a lot of us, and it's surprising how many channels don't actually reach 1,000 subscribers, really. So I want to do a pay it forward giveaway. So if you would like to be involved, I'd like you to comment down below with your favourite YouTube channel, or channels, multiple. You can either share one channel with me or multiple. It's up to you. Ideally, I would like to try and find some smaller channels for us to give shout outs to. So if you do know of any channels that are below 1,000 subscribers who you like to watch, then please do comment and tell me who they are. Equally, if you do like some of the bigger channels, then I'm more than happy for you to let me know those as well. What I intend to do with that information is obviously pick a winner at random. So I'll do like one of those random comment pickers, which I will do with you. And we'll pick a winner, and then what we will aim to do going forwards is all of the channels that get recommended to me in the comments. So for anyone entering the giveaway, I will have a look through the channels that you've recommended, and I will try and find a project that I can do a spin on video with you that they've done. So obviously I'll give credit to where the idea came from. We'll give a shout out to their channel. And it will be like this inspired by series, which I know a lot of us are doing at the moment, but really it is a very good way of sharing channels and ideas and projects that we might not have come across before. So If you would like to win the prize, please like, subscribe and comment below with your favourite YouTube channels, and I'll obviously pick a winner. I'm going to leave the giveaway open for 2 weeks, so it will be 2 weeks from today whenever you're seeing this video. I will put the deadline in the description down below, and I will make a comment once the giveaway's over, so if you are watching this a bit late, so sorry, but there will be more giveaways coming. You know, I do a lot of partnerships with companies and stuff as well, so there will be some more giveaways related to that. That is just a sneaky heads up, because I have got something exciting in the works which I found out about this week. So stay tuned for that as well. But for now, I hope somebody will like to give this beautiful folio a home. If not, then I'll happily take it and it's mine. No, I'm absolutely kidding. I really want this to go to somebody who loves it. So as always, thanks so much for joining me. Thank you again for, you know, being here with me and spending your time with me. And yeah, get commenting with your favourite YouTube channels if you would like to win this beautiful folio. And stay tuned for the giveaway winner. And of course, as always, I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye for now.